Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nilo wakwezonu?
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, nomekelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Check 'em, aka the digital makeup artist. And you're tuned in for another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Chinwe. Give it up for her, that's right. So thanks a lot, Chinwe, for sending in, I believe this is your middle name, right? For this Igbo name of the day. All right, so Chinwe, her middle name is Uchechukwu. Come on, say that with me. Uchechukwu. Good. All right, so you ready to translate their name together? Okay, cool. So Uche means mind, right? So it means mind. Another deeper meaning for it in this context is kind of like mindset or thoughts or current thinking, the current thinking of that person, the current way that they are assessing a situation, or their current, almost not really like an opinion, but their thoughts regarding something, right? And Chukwu means God. So you put those two together and you get Uchechukwu. Uchechukwu basically means God's thinking regarding my life, or more so kind of like God's plan, right? God's plan for my life, God's mindset, his plan, what he wants me to manifest in my life, you know, my destiny, basically God's plan. Uchechukwu. Uchechukwu's names give them the power to have great intuition, they're really good listeners, and they're also very mild-mannered. Tag and share this video with all the Uchechukwus that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Also, what do you think? I think this would be a great baby name if you're expecting a child. Uchechukwu would be an amazing name for that child, right? And if there are any other like concepts or ideas for names or anything you'd like to manifest into your child's life, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below, and I can try to find an Igbo name with the closest meaning to that concept or that idea that you have, right? Also hit me up in the my Instagram DM, it's linked in the description below. And you know, if you want to send me a personal message instead of on the comments section, and if you want to know more about Igbo, Nigerian culture, or if you, again, just want a name, just let me know if you would like an idea for a name. Obviously tell me the things that you would want me to share on YouTube, right? Or anything like that. That way I know what to say and what not to say, if things are, you know, private. But essentially, yeah, I would basically use what you tell me to come up with a good baby name, or just a name for yourself if you would like an Igbo name, right? So I can, it's basically if you hit the bell button after you subscribe, you'll get a notification after I make a video for you, right? And you'll be the first to know. And basically, if you give me some characteristics about you, I can talk about them in the video. The ones that you basically tell me things that you would want me to talk about, right, on YouTube. And I'll give you an Igbo name for that. And if there's like just general concepts or ideas that you would like to speak into the child that you're expecting's life, you know, for them to manifest and things like that, let me know and I can make a video for that as well too. Just general concepts and things like that to kind of, you know, invoke the power of our ancestors and the strength in our names, okay? So if you would like an Igbo name, let me know, and I can gift you one. If you are Igbo by association, one of your parents is Igbo, something like that, I can feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. And again, if you would like one, I could feature your name, I'll give you one on the Igbo name of the day giveaway. So please like this video if you enjoyed watching it, right? Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video. Share, leave a comment down below, And yeah, just continue to support this YouTube channel. All of your support and engagement really helps out the YouTube algorithm so that this channel can grow. So it is absolutely free to hit that subscribe button. All of your engagement goes really far. Every little bit counts. Every new subscriber goes a really long way. So I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button. It's free and it would really help me out a lot. So yeah, thanks a lot. I hope you guys had a good time watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.